Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to tell you about a bush and a small tree that produce attractive and edible fruits in autumn. These last into winter and are great for the birds, but they can also be collected and eaten. Red fruits add splashes of colour in an otherwise monochrome landscape, making your garden a pretty place to explore in winter. My first plant is actually a small tree that produces vibrant red fruits in autumn and winter. The Sichuan strawberry, or Cornus kousa, is a superb tree. Some might even go so far as to call it the best ornamental tree for a small garden. There are lots of varieties and all produce masses of white or pink bracts in spring. In autumn, the tree produces strawberry-like fruits. These are deep pink and edible. Just remove the skin and eat the berries raw. Each produces 1 or 2 large seeds, which are easily avoided. Cornus kousa also has good autumn foliage. Grow Cornus kousa in full sun or part shade. This tree is suitable for hardiness zones 5 to 8. The shrub rose, Rosa rugosa, produces large red fruits in autumn. These are much loved by the birds and the vibrancy of colour is very striking. Rosa rugosa forms a dense bush that flowers in summer with scented pink or white blooms. These turn into rose hips in autumn, and the red colour contrasts beautifully with the rose's yellowing foliage. The rose hips are edible and can be made into jams or jellies. Rosa rugosa makes a great flowering hedge. Grow in full sun or part shade in hardiness zones 2 to 7. So, why not grow some attractive red edible fruits in your garden and share them with the birds?